Hi, well, I bit the bullet and had a solar power system installed on top of my house. And in the end, I went for a company called Efficient Home Services here in southern or southwest Florida, and had a 32 panel system installed, each panel being 310 watts, and had power optimizers from SolarEdge installed along with them for power management, and also a 10 kilowatt SolarEdge power inverter as well. So this video is just to show you quite a lot of drone footage actually of the installation process. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. I certainly did. get too dizzy watching all of those point of interest drone shots. In total, the installation, it took 2 days, of 8 hours the first day with 4 guys working on the roof and installing the inverter. So that's about 32 hours. And then on the second day, 2 gentlemen turned up and completed the work, the panel installation mainly, and that was another 12 hours, 12 man hours, so 6 hours duration. So that brings it to about 44 hours of installation overall to do all of the work, from removing tiles all the way through to commissioning the inverter at the end of it all. So I will probably create another video to describe my experiences with the inverter. That's yet to come. I have an inspection that needs to be performed, and also then the local power company has to come along and install a 2-way meter so that my generated excess can go out onto the grid and potentially even get me a little bit of revenue from that additional generation. In summary, I think the things to watch out for are trash removal, first of all. As you probably saw from the video, a lot of tiles were removed from the roof and broken in the process, and so those were dumped onto the lawn. The guys who did it here, they did an excellent job of removing every last trace of those tiles, so I have nothing to complain about there whatsoever, but it's something that your contractor may not do such a good job at. Also, I did notice, thankfully as a result of the drone footage, that a number of tiles, not too many, I think 3 in fact, got cracked on the roof in the process, and fortunately I had some spares in the house and I was able to get the contractor to replace those for me, so no harm done there. The only outstanding item with those panels is, in fact my wife noticed that 2 or 3 of those panels are protruding slightly over the rain gutters near the pool, and as you will have also noticed from the videos, it rained on the very last day at the very end of the installation, and we noticed water pouring off the solar panels and directly into the pool cage, which is not ideal. So I'm going to have to work with the contractor to see if those panels can be perhaps nudged back a few inches so that the water in fact goes into the gutters where it should have gone. However, other than that, all went well, and as I say, I will be producing another video to give my ongoing experiences and my ongoing conclusions. So wish me luck with all of that. If you're interested in hearing more, click the subscribe button below, and you'll be informed of when I do actually publish some more information. Thank you for watching.